Students, you know that business firms has huge resources, huge financial resources, and other man-made resources are there, so that he can save the environment from pollution. The business firm has its existence in the society only. बिजनेस फर्म्स का एग्जिस्टेंस भी सोसाइटी से ही, अगर कम्युनिटी अच्छी होगी, सोसाइटी अच्छी होगी, पीपल पर्सन of the country are good, so the business firms can flourish. So it is the legal and the moral responsibility of every business firms to control the environment, to help in the environmental protection techniques, and to control the pollution in the environment. And environmental protection is the need of the is necessary for every business enterprise. So how the business enterprises help, what is the role of business enterprises in environmental protection or creating controlling of the pollution in the society. So the role of business environment protection. So pehla first have pointed that top management commitment is to create, maintain work culture of the environmental protection. That in the business firm the management should do the commitment. मैनेजमेंट जो है फ्रॉम टॉप मैनेजमेंट टू द लोअर मैनेजमेंट, पूरा उनको आपस में कमिटमेंट करना होगा कि दैट दे शुड क्रिएट एंड मेंटेन द वर्क कल्चर. उनको ऐसा वर्क कल्चर इस्टेब्लिश करना है सो दैट दे शुड प्रोटेक्ट द एनवायरनमेंट. उनको काम में करते समय अपने एनवायरनमेंट को प्रोटेक्ट करना है, अपने वर्क कल्चर में इस तरह का कमिटमेंट लाना है दैट दे शुड डू द एनवायरमेंटल प्रोटेक्शन टेक्निक्स. दे शुड प्रोटेक्ट द एनवायरनमेंट फ्रॉम pollution, from doing the pollution. And also this should be circulated to each and every employees in the business. Means उनको जो commitment उन्होंने किया है, that commitment should be circulated, that each and every employee should know that they have to follow the environmental protection methods, that they should not pollute the environment. Next is formulating policies to control the pollution. Whatever the policies was made by the government or made by the business firm itself, so that this policy should be formed and it should followed in practice to control the pollution. पॉलिसीज बनानी पड़ेंगी कि किस तरह से पोल्यूशन को कंट्रोल करना है, एंड दिस पॉलिसी शुड बी फॉलोड इन द बिजनेस फर्म प्रॉपर्ली. नेक्स्ट इज पार्टिसिपेशन इन गवर्नमेंट प्रोग्राम्स एंड प्रिवेंशन ऑफ पोल्यूशन in the society. Whatever the government has started the different types of environmental protection programs, इस टाइम पे गवर्नमेंट जो है कई तरह के प्रोग्राम्स अरेंज करती है, दैट क्लीन इंडिया मिशन, लाइक दैट plantation of trees, cleaning of the rivers. So business firm has also to participate in the programs of the business government. That government program should be participated by the business firms also, and they should also help in doing this kinds of programs like plantation of trees, and also cleaning of the rivers, and also other clean India mission programs or other programs for uh, cleaning of the environment. So business firms also has to help the government and also should follow the rules and regulations set by the government for environmental protection, and these programs should be participated by the business firms properly, timely, and they should also conduct such kinds of programs in their own business firms also. Arranging workshop for pollution controls. Yes, businessmen not only participate in these kinds of pollution control programs, but also they should arrange workshops in their business also, with the suppliers, with the consumers, with the workers, that they should aware them from how they can do the environmental protection techniques, how they can use the environmental pollution control machineries, control techniques. They should replace the old machineries with the new machineries which is eco-friendly, and also they should use good quality raw material which will not harmful for the that pollution, which will not create much pollution and which is harmful for the public. So business firms has to do the commitment that उसको business करते समय pollution को कम से कम करना है, pollution को control करना है, and this should be circulated properly to their employees within the firm, that each and every employee should know properly that they should apply these kind of techniques while doing the production, and while doing production also they should use such kinds of methods so that it will not create much pollution, and also the waste management technique should be adopted by the business firms, so that whatever the pollution will be there, whatever the pollutants that will be coming out from the industries, it should be managed properly. The waste management technique should be adopted by the business firms, and also the waste control machineries should be used in that form, and they should use good quality raw material which will not create much pollution in the environment. And also they should arrange different kinds of workshops प्रोग्राम भी अरेंज करने चाहिए टाइम टाइम पे, अपने सप्लायर्स को अवेयर करना चाहिए, अपने वर्कर्स को अवेयर करना चाहिए, अपने जो भी बिजनेस रिलेटेड है रिलेशन है, इन सबको अवेयर करना चाहिए कि दे शुड नॉट pollute the environment. They should use eco-friendly techniques. They should do the waste management process timely, and they should protect the environment. So this is the responsibility of businessmen, that they should control the pollution. They should not means they should not pollute environment from this production techniques. Instead, they are using such techniques so that it will not pollute the environment. Their work is production. So while doing production, they should not pollute the environment. They should protect the environment. So environmental protection is need of the day, and it is the responsibility of the business also, that they should save environment from doing pollution, from becoming polluted country. And now they are doing efforts to make the country clean. That this is the mission also of our government, that Clean India mission. So that is the mission of the our business firms also, that they should make the clean country green country.